So many of the students are doing amazing things. I personally stayed in my job, but I've helped recommend others. A lot of my classmates have all gotten jobs from each other throughout the program. So it's just been really cool to see branch out of my own professional network in aerospace and defense and kind of understand people doing different things in different industries, which was surprising but also amazing. So a great thing about this program is how my personal network grew. Of course, we take our studies very seriously, but every in-person residency we make sure to go out in social settings. We went on a pirate boat cruise down the Potomac River. We did karaoke and one of our professors joined us. So I made a lot of lasting friendships. I'm actually seeing a lot of them this weekend. So it was really good personally and professionally.